guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, we're going to do is what's inside my bag challenge. It's my favorite thing. So first thing first is this my BT21 pouch. My cousin gave me this one. So let's see what's inside. So first is a paper. Let's see how much grade I got. So it's from Aralyn Panlipunan. So I got 5/5. So put this there. So another thing I found is a sharpener. A sharpener. And an elephant sharpener. Just this. And ayan ko. And my ID. And this is I don't know who is this. Comment down below if you know this person. And my pants. I'm gonna show you my pants. Here are my pants. Seriously. Here I got a lot of pants, but I'm not gonna let my cosmic bars. Okay. First I have my pen. It's a sign pin though. So my classmate borrowed, she had this pen. So she told me, do you have another pen? I said, yeah. So I said the other day, so where's my pen? I just lost it. Okay, so I got Leonardo. And this is a pencil. And what is my grades? Okay. And this is my eraser. Okay, another thing is another pen. Yes. And not this one. And a color. You can see it's a color. You can see what it says. It says oil pastel. So next one is my paper. My assignment notebook. My Filipino notebook. My English notebook. My science. My oral fund. And my math notebook. So next is my drawing book. So let's see what's inside. So first is this one. The second one is this one. Dun, 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 dun. So that's comment down below if you got 90 in your project. Because I got 92. So my bond paper and this stupid thing. And my libro, Epipil libro, my books, and my math. My least favorite books in the world is science. Next is English. So guys, hope you enjoy this video. Stay sweet, stay awesome. You know what to do. Stay awesome and share the love. Peace. Woo!